Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the high level application from ManyApps. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to add your Go level API key. Now you can find this if you go to your Go high level account. You can find this in your company settings and you can find it just here at the bottom. So if you just go ahead, copy and paste that, place that into the settings, click save, and then you're done. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add a contact, and then I'm going to show you how you can update other fields, including tags, to your Go high level contact. Now, as you can see, the first thing that we've got here is I'm asking for the user's email and SMS number. Now, in this action here, in the high level add contact action, what you can see is that we're asking for the email and the phone number value. Now, this defaults already to the system email and the system phone number. So if you are using those, you don't need to select a user field. Although if you are using another user field that can then hold the value of your email, then please make sure that you select this. Now over here, you're going to need to create, just before you start this action, another user field called, let's say, Go High Level ID. Now what this is the user ID of your Go High Level contact, but now it is also associated to your user inside of ManyChat. Then, as you can see, the check Go high level contact is now made, and then afterwards what we're going to do is then learn how we can update other actions and other fields inside of your Go high level contacts. So let's start off with the first one. That's where we'll add a contact. So I've just click publish. Oh, I didn't select the action. Just so, yeah, let's get rid of that. Now if I come over to my Messenger account, we can see that I'm being asked for my email. Now before I answer what my email is, I'm just going to show you that this account here has no contacts. I'm just going to click contacts again to refresh the page, and you can see that there are no contacts inside of this. So this will be the first contact that we're going to be adding to this account. So if I go here and let's just say I click my email, and then afterwards it asks me for my phone number. And now the Go high level contact is updated and created. So now if I come back over here and if I refresh this page, we can now see that the contact is now here. Brilliant. Now, if we click onto this contact, we can see that there are other ways of other information that I can then add, such as the general info, as you can see here. Now, how will you be able to update this? Well, that is part of some of the other actions. So let me give you a very quick example of some of these, and then I'll show you how to update a custom field in your high level account. So if we go to select account and let's say we want to either update the email or update the contact's phone, this is very simple. All you're going to need to do is to select the Go high level ID that we created when creating the contact, and then select what value you want for the email. The same is also done for the phone, where again what you're going to need to do is to select the Go high level ID and then select, or don't select if it's a new system field value, for the phone value update. If we then go further down and we want to add a tag to a contact, what we can then do again is we're going to select the Go high level ID, and then from here we can then select a tag. So this here I could write in the value and just say, let's say the word red, and I can use the custom value like this, or if I wanted to I can maybe make it a little bit better and go red and then use another user field. If I like to, I can go ahead and delete all of this, and or just use a user field or a bot field even all the way at the bottom. Now if we go down here, we can also update an address to a contact. So again, all we're going to do is to select the Go high level ID, and then afterwards you're going to be able to select user fields from your ManyChat account so that then you can then pass that information over. Now this will all update inside of the general info inside of your contacts. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump over into the settings of this account here. I'm then going to come to custom fields, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 custom fields very quickly that I'm going to then represent and show you inside of the ManyChat account. This way you can then update the custom fields here and don't have to only work with the system field values that Go High Level give you for your contacts. So as you can see, I've created 3 different custom fields just like this. Now, and you can see here that the 3 custom fields that I created are now here. So what we're going to say is I want to update custom field 3. This is the ID of the user, and this is then going to be the value that I want to then send over into my Go High Level account. Okay. So all I'm going to need to do to even just make this work is I'm just going to go ahead, select this, push it straight onto that action, click publish, click preview, okay? And then from this, if I now go back over into my Go High Level account, if I go to my contacts, I go and find this particular contact, and I click into it, you can see that we've also now got additional information, and we can see that custom field 3, which was the one I selected for my ManyChat account, has now been updated. So everything works very simply. As you can see, all you're going to need to do is to select each of the actions as your user will then input the information, and make sure that you select the Go High Level ID. As you can see here, these are all the apps that we supply from ManyApps. So as you can see, a lot of different actions, a lot of different capabilities you can do with your Go High Level capabilities. If there are any other actions that you would like, please get in touch. Always happy to